God bless each and every one of you, and welcome to Texas Honda Channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. So in today's video, we are taking the car to the exhaust shop to get the downpipe custom made, so that way we will be done on the turbo setup, and then we can take it to the dyno soon. So I didn't get a lot of video clips, but I got some of them, so here they are. I hope you enjoy. Just got finished up at the exhaust shop. Got my son Caden here, and we're taking it home. Can't do anything too crazy, but I'll give it just a little bit of gas so you guys can hear it. It sounds really good. So huge thanks goes to Bill's Muffler here in Copper's Cove. Definitely do some quality work. Oh yeah, sounds real good. Alright, I went ahead and got the header wrap wrapped on the downpipe and reinstalled it back onto the turbo. And as you can see, there's very little clearance back there by the tie rod, but it does make clearance, and whenever it goes lower, it actually gives it more clearance. So maybe the solution here is to go just a hair lower on the car, and it'll be perfectly fine. But it looks really good, and sounds real good. It's nice and quiet. And yeah, definitely made some progress for sure. The next thing on the list of things to do is go get a dyno tune from AGN Tuning in Killeen, Texas. My good friend Eric is going to hook us up on the dyno, and we're going to see exactly what kind of power we can make on 93 octane. I will not be doing E85 yet. I want to go flex fuel sensor before doing E85. So the time being, it will be on 93. The reason I'm not going straight E85 is because I take road trips and stuff, and it's kind of hard to find E85 stations from here to Kansas, and there's just a few and far in between. So yeah, we're gonna make sure it has flex fuel before doing that. Also, the wheels over here, unfortunately I cannot use them. They are 15s. I tried to put them on, and the brake calipers do not clear. So I need 16s minimum to run on the RSX, which really sucks because these Toyo R888s would be great on here, because I can already tell that this car is going to want to spin like crazy. I barely even gave it any gas and it wanted to spin pretty bad today. I mean, it was a little wet out, but still, I was barely even building any boost up, and it was wanting to try to spin. So this thing's going to be absolutely insane, and I cannot wait to see what this makes on the dyno and what it makes going down the track. But we have to get something different for those wheels. So if anyone has some 16s they want to trade for those, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, instagram.com/Texas Honda Channel, and let me know what you got. Before we get off here, I want to give a huge thank you to Jacob at Bill's Muffler here in Copper's Cove for doing a good job on getting that downpipe all welded up and making it have clearance. So definitely hit him up if you're in the area. He gives you a really good price. He gave me a pretty fair price on this. Actually, he gave me a really good price on this, so I really appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys want to go to the other channel, I will be doing the 100K subscriber giveaway. We officially hit 100,000 subscribers over on More Motorsports Garage. So definitely go over there and subscribe if you haven't. Check out all the content. I have over 500 videos on that channel. And yeah, there'll be the 100K subscriber giveaway coming soon. So that is basically it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.